clone outside getting big, man. I might have to come train her, actually. I might put some clips on her. This is crazy. She loving it outside. She full right now, too, off that rainwater. Just watered these babies today, and they outside. Alright, we got that cheetah kiss. Yeah, you gonna have to toughen up. Y'all gonna have to toughen up out here. That wind is windy. And we got that jealousy. And when those is ready, they going right there. They going right in the ground. We gonna leave the clone in the pot, see how it do. It's already big. Hopefully, we're putting those babies in the ground, they could catch up. But we gonna see how this shit go.